Hey everybody, and welcome to my unboxing for the 7Artisans Photoelectric 50mm f1.1. Oh, I have a dirty work surface. That's alright, I'll clean it up some other day. This is just the unboxing video to see what all is in this. There's a little screwdriver and a calibration card for adjusting the focus. I think that's for adjusting infinity focus. I'd love to tell you right now, but haha, fun fact, I accidentally threw everything but the screwdriver away. So I got to look that up online because also wide open, my lens does not reach infinity focus, which is a hair frustrating. I have to stop it down to about f5.6 or f8 before it will. So here's the lens. Packaging, as is the case with 7Artisans lenses, is pretty nice. Now, I did receive mine with that rubber grip on it already. Makes me kind of wonder if it was open box, not actually brand new, but you know what? If it was, I can't tell the difference. It was in such good condition, so I'm still really happy with it. And we'll take the lens cap off here, which fits really beautifully. It is a very, very, very well-made lens. Just impressive craftsmanship all around in the optics, in the way that the focus handles, very smooth focusing. The aperture was a bit stiff when I got it, but now having used it for around about 6 or so months when I'm recording and uploading this, it's broken in very well and working very nicely. So focus is also very smooth and holding up really well to use over time. And now as my studio light magically blinks out because it died during recording, I'm going to take this opportunity to let you know that this is pretty much it. We're going to jump into 10 sample photos in just a few seconds.